English phrases explained, remainders left. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, remainders left. It's a phrase that can be a bit tricky for English learners, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. Let's get started. The word remainder refers to a part or quantity that is left after the greater part has been used, removed, or destroyed. For example, if you eat 6 out of 8 slices of pizza, the 2 slices left are the remainder. It's all about what's left after an action. Now, when we combine remainders with left, it might seem redundant because both words indicate something that is remaining. However, in English, this phrase is often used for emphasis. For example, after the sale, there were only a few remainders left. This sentence stresses the fact that very little was left. It's important to understand the context where remainders left is used. It's often seen in mathematics, business, and everyday scenarios. For example, in math, the remainder left after dividing 15 by 4 is 3. In business, after the clearance, the remainders left in stock were quickly sold. In everyday language, after the party, there were only a few slices of cake remainders left. A common mistake is using remainders left in a context where remainder or left would suffice. Remember, this phrase is best used for emphasis or to sound more conversational in English. And that's a wrap on remainders left. I hope this video has made the phrase clearer for you. Remember, English is full of nuances, and learning them can be quite fun. Keep practicing, and you'll master these little details in no time. See you in the next video.